Thomas answered and said to him, My Lord and my God. Jesus said to him, Have you come to me because you have seen me? Blessed are those who have not seen and have believed. Now Jesus did many other signs in the presence of his disciples that are not written in this book. But these are written that you may come to believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God, and that through this belief you may have life in his name. Al anochecer del día de la resurrección, estando cerradas las puertas de la casa donde se hallaban los discípulos,